Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Manjushrie. I'm a Ho'oponopono healer and a law of attraction coach. I'm very much excited today to announce 21 days challenge of Ho'oponopono healing. Yes, you heard it right, 21 days Ho'oponopono healing challenge with me. I am going to pick and choose issues which are really bothering in your life, which are troublesome. All the emotions that you need to heal, I'm going to do that step by step from day 1 to day 21 days challenge every day, and use the healing technique of Ho'oponopono and clear that negative energy from your life. Are you ready for this challenge? Please say yes in the comment section, and yes, do share, subscribe, and like my channel, because that's very important. It's going to be 21 days constant Ho'oponopono video for you guys, because you really need the healing, and I love to do healing. I enjoy doing healing because it heals me, and I love to spread the healing energy across the world, because we are born to live a happy life, isn't it? And yes, of course, problems and issues are part and parcels of our life, but it does not mean that we should not heal and let go of those problems. So we have a tool, and we are going to use that tool to clear all the negative energies. So ready for today's video? So today is day 1. Just make a note, subscribe my channel, so that next time I upload the video tomorrow and till 21st day, and so on and so forth, so you get the notification when you hit that bell icon. So do subscribe, okay? आज का टॉपिक क्या होने वाला है? Basically, today's topic is about healing your chords, energy chords in your body. What is it? Energy chords. Basically, see, I'm a IT engineer from a science background, so I believe explaining things that way. So I hope you like it. Basically, it is said that we have an aura field. Our body, our physical body, has an aura field. And yes, you can measure that aura. Now you have advanced systems and machines through which you can view anybody's aura and see what type of energy, or is it positive, negative, or what type of energy is there in his aura. And that actually is very, very important. You know why? Because that aura, that energy attracts the similar kind of energy, situations, people in your life. So I hope you get it, that keeping your aura in a very high standard, keeping your energy uplifted is very, very important. And is it possible 24/7 that I'm always gonna be high? No, obviously we'll go down sometimes, we'll feel low sometimes. So what to do? The tool is Ho'oponopono. Yes, and that's why this 21 days challenge. I want you to take up this challenge for 21 days and do the healing along with me. So energy chords, like I said, we speak to I don't know how many people every day, at least our family members and our work, if you're working, or maybe if you're studying school, college, you have friends around you with whom you connect, in the sense you communicate, you speak, you interact, right? And whenever you interact with certain people or certain person, you have their aura, you have their energy connected to you, which you cannot see obviously, but you have that aura energy impacting your life. And how does that happen? So let's say if I'm dialing certain phone number, so I have this one device from where I'm connecting to another device through mobile connection or phone connection. Obviously there is a link, the connection is established, and that connection is there between the two devices. Similarly, what are we? We are also a device, we are a form of energy. Of course we are a form of life, but we also have energy. We are also a type of device, a material. So in this universe, since we are also material, we are also energy. The other person, the other people, even if you're sitting in a car, you're sitting on a table, you're sitting on a couch, you are passing that aura, that energy to that device, to that instrument also. I hope you're getting clear what I'm saying. So that's why we have these energy cords connected to people who you like, and also to people who you don't like so much. आपने observe किया होगा sometimes क्या होता है कि when you have a group of people, and or maybe you go to some relative and your mom says let's go to some function in some relative, and you go and you see certain person and you see, oh, this person is, I feel heaviness, or I feel so negative when I see this person. You feel that, right? What's that feeling? That's your energy, that's your aura. So you have that energy exchange happening every now and then when you meet certain people, or you think about certain people in your mind all the time. So what are we going to do today? We are going to heal that energy, clear that cords, the cords which are connecting, coming in and out from your body, or connecting with other people, so that your traffic or your life is absolutely the traffic in your area, the clutter in your mind, the clutter in your energy body is absolutely healed. So that's why we have this healing, very, very important. I hope you get the significance of Ho'oponopono healing. So we are going to start that now. Let's get started. So I'm going to be, just going out of the video. However, you will still hear my voice. So just focus on my voice, and just try to be calm when you're doing this healing, of cutting the cords using Ho'oponopono, so that it really helps you and cleans your energy. I hope this really helps you, and if you do like my video, please do comment below. Okay, thanks. Let's get started now.
Okay, we are now going to start healing of cutting the cords using Ho'oponopono. Please sit straight, or you can even lie down, and close your eyes gently and take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Relax your mind, relax your body, relax your thoughts. Don't use too much of logic. Don't try to analyze anything. Just simply follow my instructions and be submissive in this healing to the universe, so that universe can heal you completely and remove those unwanted cords from your life. Please close your eyes and now relax your head, your eyes, your shoulders, relax your hands, relax your chest, relax your stomach, relax your thighs, relax your legs. Now let's take a deep breath in one more time and relax. Let's do this breathing one last time. Breathe in and breathe out. So now let's do this prayer of Ho'oponopono. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I set this intention into the universe to help us to heal and cut all the unwanted cords from our life, from the situation that you're going through, from the relationship, or even a group of people that you want to cut the cords with. You can even cut the cords with anything that is bothering you. Let's say if it is a particular home, a particular car, or any kind of device which is actually, sometimes pull our energy down by thinking about that situation or that particular thing. I now want you to imagine with whom you want to cut the cords in your mind, and just say this prayer. I am sorry, universe. I attracted this kind of energy, these cords, from this situation, from these people, from this relationship, from this particular object, consciously or unconsciously. Please forgive me, universe. I now choose to let go and remove and cut the cords from these sources of energies from my mind, body, soul and spirit. I thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity to heal and remove these cords, and I love you, universe, with full of gratitude for giving me this opportunity for healing. I am sorry, universe. I take full 100% responsibility I don't know how did I attract these cords in my life. I'm not sure why I feel drained whenever I think about the situation, circumstance, or the relationship or the group of people with whom my cords are connected. I feel drained sometimes, and I just choose to let go and release and cut the cords. So please forgive me, universe, for attracting these negative energies, these negative cords in my life, and please help me to remove these cords right now. I choose to move on and let go and release these cords from my life. I thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity to heal myself, heal my aura, heal my energy. And I'm very much thankful for letting these cords going back to the source, into the divine light, so that they find their path and purpose in their life. I love you, universe. I'm sorry, universe. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, universe. I really thank you. Please forgive me. I love you. Now just put your right hand on your heart and just repeat this prayer two more times rather. I'm sorry, universe, for attracting these cords into my life. Please forgive me. I choose to let go these cords. Cut these cords. I thank you, universe. I love you, universe. I'm sorry, universe. Please forgive me. I understand there was a lesson behind attracting the situation, these kind of people in my life, the relationship through which the cords are connected to this particular situation, relationship, and group of people that I'm talking about. I now choose to let go of this energy. I thank you, universe. I love you, universe. I'm sorry, universe. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Now, please rub your hands, rub your palms gently, and put that energy of your palms onto your face, body, hands, and shoulders, and gently open your eyes now. And we are done with the Ho'oponopono, cutting the cords healing for today. I'm sure you will need this healing every now and then whenever you feel drained or you think about any situation, person, or thing. You can just replay this video and just do the healing like we did today. I hope you feel lighter now. And if you do, please comment down below in my YouTube channel and just subscribe my channel. I'm going to upload more such videos. So please stay tuned till the next video. Please be calm, drink a sip of water, or just be relaxed for some time so that you have this healing energy with you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you for letting me do this healing for you. Thank you. Bye for now.